Hello friends, today we discuss about in this video the current GK of month of May to 2020. Now we start. First is person in news. Who has written Braille edition of Exam Warrior? Shri Thawarchand Gehlot. Dr. Kiran Bedi is the Lieutenant Governor of which Union Territory? Pondicherry. Retired IAS officer Yudhvir Singh Malik has been recently appointed as the chairman and managing director of which crisis hit firm Unitech. Who is the chairman of the National Disaster Response Force? Prime Minister. Recently, the chief guest of Republic Day celebration, Jair Bolsonaro, has signed a bilateral investment treaty during his visit. He belongs to Brazil. Who has been recently appointed as the new managing director of the State Bank of India? Chala Srinivasulu Sethi. Challa Srinivasu Sethi Sulu. Who has been recently appointed as the chairman of Ordnance Factory Board? Hari Mohan. Who is the chief of enforcement directorate? S.K. Mishra. Who was the first chief election commissioner of the India? Sukumar Sen. Very important question. Who was the first chief election commissioner of India? Sukumar Sen. Recently, who has been appointed as the Indian Bank Association chief executive? Sunil Mehta. Who is the Union Minister of Food Processing Industry? Harsimrat Kaur Badal. Who has recently been appointed as a managing director and chief executive of Bank of Baroda? Sanjeev Chadda. Mohan Sood, who passed away related to sports. Which state's former minister Jagannath Root has a passed away recently? Odisha. Next, discuss about awards. The National Bravery Award for the children are presented by which ministry organization annually? Indian Council for Child Welfare. What is the name of the Kerala boy who has received the Bharat Award 2019 from President of India Shri Ramnath Kovind on the Republic Day? Aditya K. Who has been recently awarded with the Subhash Chandra Bose Abda Prabandhan Puraskar 2020? Shri Kumar Munan Singh, individual category. Next, recently which legendary Indian sportsman is awarded with a prestigious Padma Bhushan award? MC Mary Kom. Next, scheme and launches. Which state government has launched the Mahatma Jyotirao Phule Farmer Loan Waiver Scheme and subsidized meal scheme named Shiv Bhojan Program for the Poor? Maharashtra. Which state has launched the Atal Kishan Mazdoor Canteen for the benefit of farmer and labor? Haryana. The objective of the FAME India scheme is to increase the use of electricity and electric and hybrid vehicle by offering incentive. What is the full form of FAME? Faster adoption and manufacturing of hybrid and electric vehicle. Next, according to the Ministry of Rural Development, only 252 members of the Parliament have adopted Gram Panchayat under the phase of 4 of SAGI. What is the full form of SAGI? Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana. Which state government has launched a new higher education model called a Resource Assistant for College with Excellence? RACE, Rajasthan. Next, recently Union Minister Smriti Irani has launched a welfare scheme named Yashwani from Goa. What is the aim of scheme? Assistance to women self-help groups. When was the Aadhaar project launched by the Government of India? 28 January 2009. What is the full form of Ujala scheme? Unnat Jyoti by affordable LEDs for all. What is the name of campaign has been launched by Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas Dharmendra Pradhan to create awareness among the people in conservation of fuel? Saksham. Which integrated railway helpline into single number is made by the Indian Railway for the passengers for quick grievance redressal and inquiry during their journey? 139. Next, national and state. Which rail will be set up by the government for the agriculture so that goods can be quickly transported across the country? Kisan Rail. The tribal museum shall be set up in which of the following state? Jharkhand. Name the exam which will be the conducted in Asia and Africa under the Study India programs. India set. Who is the President of Chief Economic Advisor of India? Krishnamurti V. Subramaniam. The government has set a target to reduce the central government debate to 40% of the GDP by 2024 to 25. What is the name of the exhibition of the Indian electrical industry recently inaugurated by the Union Ministry of Heavy Industry and Public Enterprises? Eleckrama. Next, which town in the Indian has become the first Indian town to become 100% polio free through the Pulse strategy? Vellore. How many new jobs were created in the Indian between 2011 to 12 and 2017-18 as per Economic Survey 2019 to 20, 6.3 crore. According to budget 2020 to 21, what is the facial deficit target of FY21? 3.5% of GDP. Next, the government proposed to expand the national gas grid to 27,000 km. What is the from president length? 16,200 km. The income of the farmer is expected to double by which of the following year? 2022. Which tax has been abolished? Dividend distribution tax. An international bullion exchange will be the setup at Gift City. The Gift City is located in the which state? Gujarat. Which Indian state has topped the production of vegetables in 2018 to 19 as per the recent data from the Ministry of Agriculture, West Bengal? By which year Indian Railway will run 100% on the electricity as per the Union Minister Piyush Goyal? 2024. Which of the following scheme has been launched by Civil Aviation Ministry for the exports in agriculture? Krishi Udyan. What was the inflow of FDI from 2015 to 2019? 284 billion USA dollar. The turnover threshold of the adult of MSME has been increased from 1 crore to 5 crore. The service sector growth declined marginally to 7.50% in 2018 to 19 from 8.1% in 2017 to 80. Which country is the top producer of the sunflower seeds? Ukraine. Which of the following state has the recently organized the world longest awareness human chain for more than 18,000 km? Bihar. What is the name of the indigenous artillery guns which are to be inducted into the Indian Army? Sarang. Which ministry is under the Prime Minister Narendra Modi Department of Space? What amount has been allocated for the Agriculture and Rural Department in the budget 2020? 2.83 lakh crore. What amount of the funds has been allocated for the Culture Ministry? 3,150 crore. The amount of the funds has been allocated for the Bharat Net program in 2021, 6,000 crore. Next, international news. The country is required to raise per capita energy consumption by at least 2.5 times to increase per capita income by $5,000. Which is the only bank of the India to rank in the global top 100 list? SBI. 4-time increases in per capita energy consumption needed for India to achieve Dash Human Development Index score 0.8. How much India need to spend on infrastructure to become USD 5 trillion economy by 2024 to 25? USA dollar 1.4 trillion. What is the rank of India in terms of wind power? 4th. Which famous international tennis tournament is held in the month of January every year? Australian Open. Which country has topped in the Corruption Perception Index 2019 released by the Transparency International? Denmark and New Zealand. What is the rank of India in the Social Mobility Index recently released by the World Economic Forum? 76. In India, market share of the electric vehicles was at dash percent compared to the 2% in the China and 39% in Norway, 0.06%. Which Indian city has been adjudged as the world's most dynamic city as per the JLL City Momentum Index 2020, Hyderabad. Recently, which organization has released the Time to Care report, NGO Oxfam? What was the theme of the second edition of the International Day of Education that is observed on 24 January 2020? Theme: Learning for the People, Planet, Prosperity and Peace. Which country is the largest recipient of the foreign direct investment in 2019 according to the latest UNCTAD report? United States. The UN World Tourism Organization has recently released the UN WTO World Tourism Barometer report, where the headquarters of the UNWTO located Madrid. Recently, India's first ever convention center in the Africa has been inaugurated in which African country? Niger. Next, news about financial awareness. The Union budget was presented in the Parliament by Nirmala Sitharaman. What amount of the fund has been allocated for the health care sector? 69,000 crore. Insurance cover for the bank deposit will be increased to dash from 1 lakh 10 lakh. As per RBI report, rupees dash crore received by bank from the previously non-performing accounts 50,000 crore. Recently, which private sector bank has launched cardless cash withdrawal facility from its ATM? ICICI Bank. What is the increased short-term debate investment limit for the foreign portfolio investors that was set at 20% earlier by the Reserve Bank of India 30%? Which bank has decided to convert into a small finance bank under the voluntary transition of primary urban cooperative banks, New India Cooperative Bank? What is the current reverse repo rate? RRR 4%. The economic survey sees the FY20 GDP growth at 7%. India need to grow at dash percent per year to $5 trillion economy by FY25, 8%. What was the rate of the share of the service sector in employment in 2017? 34%. Which Indian private sector bank has recently launched its wealth and management platform called the Pioneer Banking Indus Land Bank? The official deficit estimate for 2018-19 has been retained at 3% of the GDP. Which term was used to describe the economic of a plate of the food in India in the economic survey 2019-20? Thalinomics. What is the economic tax percentage for the income bracket 12.5 to 15 lakh? 25%. The economic survey 2019-20 has projected how much GDP growth for the official year 2022-21? 6 to 6.5%. What is the estimated industrial growth for the official 2019-20? 2.5%. India's growth of the GDP moderate to dash percent in 2018-19 from 7.2% in 2017-18, 6.8%. According to the survey, some state will start transitioning to an aging society by the 2030. Next, news about sports. Navigyan National Park is located in the which state? Maharashtra. Which country will host the 11th edition of the Indoor Cricket World Cup in October 10th to 17, 2020? Australia. Recently, Nikhad Zareen was in news. She is related to boxing. Recently, which Indian spinner has become the fastest Indian spinner to take 100 wickets in ODI? Kuldeep Yadav. Next, news about science and technology. Who will be right to space in the first test flight of the human space mission Gaganyaan? Biom Mitra. Which country is the world's leading bauxite producing country? Australia. In which state India's first super fab lab has been inaugurated to the function in collaboration with Massachusetts Institute of Technology, USA, Kerala? According to the budget, the use of which type of the energy to be promoted in the farming sector? Solar energy. Share of the renewable excluding hydro above 25 megawatt in total electricity generation increased from 6% in 2015 to 10% in 2018-19. Which country has recently tested fire in a nuclear capable ballistic missile named K4 which can be launched from submarine India. Recently, Union Home Minister Amit Shah has launched an upgraded Polnet 2. What is the meaning of Polnet? Police Network Service? In which state Eastern Biology Regional Center of the Geological Survey of the India discovered the new snake eel species also named as Opt- Ophiuchthus Ophiuchthus Kailashchandrai, Odisha. Next, miscellaneous news. Where is the world's largest solar park, Pavaganda Solar Park, located Karnataka? Which state is the largest producer of the jute in India? West Bengal. Name the independent body which will be set up for the requirement to non-gazetted post through the computer online based online process National Recruitment Agency. The PJ Nayak Committee is related to public sector banks. Nagarhole National Park, also known as the Rajiv Gandhi National Park, is situated in which state? Karnataka. The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India is a statutory body of India. Where is the headquarters? New Delhi. Where is the National Sugar Institute established? Kanpur. Article 112 of the Constitution of India is related to Union Budget. GSTN consists of how many digits? 15 digits. Hryvnia is the currency of which country? Ukraine. Blue Revolution is related to fisheries. Vatini is the capital of which country? Laos. What is the theme of Indian 10th National Voters Day celebrated across the country? Electoral literacy for the stronger democracy. Which is the largest cricket stadium of the world? Motera Stadium. Which document will be issued instantly based on the Aadhaar details? PAN card. Which is the component of the economic development? Infrastructure. Which is the component of the economic development? Infrastructure. As per as the Economic Survey of the India, how many new companies were formed in 2018? 1,24,000. Palakkad Gap or Palghat Gap, a low mountain pass situated between the which two states? Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Next, designation who is who. First is Chairman of Rajya Sabha, Venkaiah Naidu. Lok Sabha Speaker, Om Birla. Chairman of NITI Niti Ayog, Narendra Das Modi. Leader of Opposition of Rajya Sabha, Ghulam Nabi Azad. Leader of House in Lok Sabha, Narendra Das Modi. Leader of Opposition in Lok Sabha, none of these. Chief Election Commissioner, Sunil Arora. Election Commissioner, Ashok Lavasa Sushil Chandra. Director General ITBP, SS Deshwal. Chief Vigilance Commissioner, Sharad Kumar. Foreign Secretary, Vijendra Keshav Gokhale. Comptroller and Auditor General of India, Rajiv Mishri. Director Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, S. Somnath. Chairman Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, R.S. Sharma. CBI Director, Rishi Kumar Shukla. Chairman of National Commission of Scheduled Tribes, Nand Kumar Sai. Chairperson, National Commission of Minorities, Syed Gairul Hassan Razvi. Chairman of UPSC, Arvind Saxena. Director General, National Investigation Agency, YC Modi. Chairman of Space Commission and ISRO, K. Sivan. Chairman, Atomic Energy Commission and Secretary, Department of Atomic Energy, K.N. Vyas. Secretary, Department of Atomic Energy, K.N. Vyas. Chairman of SSC, Brajraj Sharma. Chairman, National Human Rights Commission, Justice H.L. Dutt. Registrar General and Census Commissioner of India, Vivek Joshi. Chairman, Central Board of Direct Taxes, Pramod Chandra Modi. Chairman, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, Subhash Chandra Kuntia. Chairman, Security and Exchange Board of India, Ajay Tyagi. Chairperson, State Bank of India, Rajneesh Kumar. India Permanent Representative in UNO, Syed Akruddin. Home Secretary, Ajay Kumar Bhalla. Chairperson of National Commission for Women, Rekha Sharma. Chairperson 5th Finance Commission, N.K. Singh. Chairman Competition Commission of India, Ashok Kumar Gupta. Chairperson Central Board of Film Certification, Prashun Joshi. President of ISOCAM, Balkrishan Goenka. Chairperson of NASOCAM, Keshav Murugesh. चीफ ऑफ डिफेंस स्टाफ जनरल विपिन रावत, चीफ ऑफ एयर स्टाफ राकेश कुमार सिंह भदौरिया, चीफ ऑफ नेवल स्टाफ एडमिरल करमवीर सिंह, चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ जनरल मनोज मुकुंद नारवे, चीफ रॉ सामंत गोयल, डायरेक्टर बाबा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर AK मोंटी, नेशनल कमीशनर फॉर शेड्यूल कास्ट राम शंकर कटारिया, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ FICCI संदीप सोमने, चेयरमैन ऑफ 21st लॉ कमीशन डॉक्टर जस्टिस BS चौहान, नेशनल सिक्योरिटी एडवाइज़र अजीत डोवाल, चेयरपर्सन ऑफ प्रसार भारती डॉक्टर A सौर्य प्रकाश, DG ऑफ नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी विनीत जोशी, फाइनेंस सेक्रेटरी अजय भूषण पांडे, चेयरपर्सन ऑफ इंडियन बैंक्स एसोसिएशन रजनीश कुमार. All data are updated up to 30th March 2020. Next abbreviations. Abbreviation WDRA, Warehouse Development and Regulatory Authority. NWR, Negligible Warehousing Receipts. OALP, Open Carriage Licensing Policy. CGTMSE, Credit Guarantee Trust of Medium and Small Entrepreneurs. PFRDAI, Pension and Fund Regulatory Development Authority of Indian Act. DTAA, Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement. NCCD, National Calamity Contingency Duty. लास्ट मंथ के हमारे रह गए थे तो इसे कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं. इंपॉर्टेंट डेट्स एंड डे. 2 अप्रैल वर्ल्ड ऑटिज्म अवेयरनेस डे. 5 अप्रैल नेशनल मैरीटाइम डेज. 7 अप्रैल वर्ल्ड हेल्थ डे. 10 अप्रैल वर्ल्ड होम्योपैथी डे. 17 अप्रैल वर्ल्ड होमोफिलिया डे. 18 अप्रैल वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज डे. 19 अप्रैल वर्ल्ड लिवर डे. 22 अप्रैल अर्थ डे. 24 अप्रैल नेशनल पंचायती डे. 25 अप्रैल वर्ल्ड मलेरिया डे. 27 अप्रैल वर्ल्ड वेटनरी डे. नेक्स्ट एब्रीवेशंस. अब हम इस मंथ की जो इम्पोर्टेंट्स हैं वो बात कर लेते हैं डेट्स और डे के बारे में भी. मई मंथ के बारे में. RESPA, रियल इस्टेट सेटलमेंट प्रोसीजर एक्ट. ECOA, इक्वल क्रेडिट अपॉर्चुनिटी एक्ट. ECH, ऑटोमेटेड क्लियरिंग हाउस. CRA, कंज्यूमर रिपोर्टिंग एजेंसी. PIN, पर्सनल आइडेंटिफिकेशन नंबर. UCC, यूनिफॉर्म कमर्शियल कोड. 1 मई इंटरनेशनल लेबर डे. 3 मई प्रेस फ्रीडम डे. 7 मई वर्ल्ड एथलेटिक्स डे. 8 मई वर्ल्ड रेड क्रॉस डे. 11 मई नेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी डे. 12 मई इंटरनेशनल नर्स डे. 18 मई इंटरनेशनल म्यूजियम डे. 21 मई नेशनल एंटी टेररिज्म डे. 22 मई इंटरनेशनल डे फॉर बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी. 24 मई कॉमनवेल्थ डे. 31 मई वर्ल्ड नो टबैको डे. नो थैंक यू सो मच. आज हमने मई मंथ की कंप्लीट करंट जीके को डिस्कस किया है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम जून के करंट न्यूज़ को डिस्कस करेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच.